Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. As you guys know, I always listen to customers. I'm always listening, thinking about what the next thing should be. When I released my own line of watches, at this point, it's over 2 years ago now, it's crazy. Eventually I started hearing people say, hey Mark, we want female end links on the bracelets, especially the 38 millimeter bracelets. And I listened, I said, okay, I kept listening. But I kept coming out with bracelets with the male end links because these things are planned well in advance. So there are releases coming out that you'll see soon that have female end links, but I was thinking, wow, what a market I have of all these people that have bought bracelets or watches with male end links, and some of them may want to convert to female end links, but I don't want to sell them a whole new bracelet because I don't think that's right. Well, of course, it is what it is, right? But it's like I was on one of my runs over the summer in 2021 and I had this idea. I'm like, wait a second, I can sell a kit that will take your male end link bracelet, throw all the parts in my head, and you can convert your male end link to a female end link. I was like, wow, I don't have to sell you a whole new bracelet. And I was able to price it around 20 bucks, which I think is a great price because it's about a third of the price of a new Islander bracelet. And so, hey, it's a win-win. So I have two kits so far, and they will expand, and they're for the oyster style bracelets for 43 millimeter Islander divers, the SKX 007 variety, and 38 millimeter Islander divers, the SKX 013 variety. So I'm going to show those kits to you today. My own wrist, can't show you that one because that's a prototype, and this is my Islander quartz diver. I had to shut one of the windows because it was getting mighty sunny and I didn't want it to affect the lens. So you really can't see that beautiful blue, but it is beautiful. Let's check out these conversion kits. So here it is. This is one half of the Endlink conversion kit. When you buy an Endlink conversion kit, you get two of these little assemblies. So like I said, there's two kits that you can pick from. Right now I have for the 43 millimeter divers and I have for the 38 millimeter divers, and we'll put links below for everything. I'm going to expand it to different bracelet types as well, so keep your eyes out for that. But what does it consist of? Well, it's rather simple. It's a spring pin, it's a female end link, and a connecting bar. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna put a link to a video that I have prepared already showing how to install this on your bracelet. So really this video is not to show you how to do it, though I'm sure you could figure it out. This video is just to kind of show you the product. Installing it is rather quick and simple, but I did a little video. I think right now it's unlisted. I don't know if I'm going to list it. A little unlisted video. I'll link to it here, and it's on the product page. You can see how to use it. Let's just get to what we're talking about. So male end link. So this is a male end link, such that the center part of the link is fixed and it protrudes past the case. Okay, and whether it's a 43 millimeter or I had said in the opening a 38 millimeter, the people that really ask for them, so I did both. This end, this link here doesn't articulate because it's one milled piece, so it doesn't go down. So even though the watch is this wide, it wears like it's this wide. Okay. Compare that to a watch that has the female end link kit installed. Well, why don't we just, female is on your same watch, well, same watch case, male on your right. These are both 43 millimeter watches. Whoops, I know I'm not holding them. Now I am. These are both 43 millimeter watches. So look at the difference in perceived length. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it is installed. Ready? Boom. See that? See how this link just articulates down? And it gets you, if you have a smaller wrist, it will hug your wrist so much tighter. It was funny, I wore this watch on Instagram. It kind of as I guess an Easter egg a while ago when I had the prototypes of these little Endlink conversion kits. And someone actually said, do I see negative Endlinks there? And I was like, oh, yes you do. So this is my little Endlink conversion kit. That's about it. Like I said, 20 bucks gets you a pair of these. It works on my Islander bracelets and my Islander watches that take those bracelets. I don't think I have anything else to say. This has been Mark from LongIslandWatch.com showing you some Endlink conversion kits. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Questions or comments, you can put them down below, and I'll be sure to address them as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.